Never had a bitch like me in your life. You never had a bitch like me in your life.
High volume. High volume. High
Never
volume.
had a bitch like me in your life. You never had a bitch like me in your life.
Rich Rising. Okay, so I just finished my meditation and my yoga, and I did my 5 pull-ups and my 5 push-ups, and now I'm about to have some tea and read, do my vocabulary, and then do my Spanish. Oh wait, no, I have to go to the gym. First. I don't really have much other than that planned for today. Just thought I'd say hello before things got crazy. Look at the skin, the skin is glowing. Loki don't feel like working out, but what are feelings? Like, when you really think about it, like, what are feelings? It's okay to like have them, but like feel them, but like don't be them. Like, don't allow it to like take over you. Like, okay, yeah, I don't feel like going to the gym, but girl, you want the gains and you want to maintain. So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna not go? Okay, exactly. Anyways.
Things outside of you to impact your own belief system.
Hello.
Like, ain't no way in hell I'm about to allow the fact that somebody else is using manifestation in this certain way to take away from what I know manifestation to be.
Get some groceries. Now, y'all know I love my tea. I cannot come to the store without getting a new tea. But I've never tried this brand, but I think I might try one of these. Maybe the peppermint herbal, because I love peppermint so much. Okay, so I got this one last time and I still haven't tried it, but now they have blue and lavender. Like, y'all know how much I love my matchas. Oh my gosh, I want to get them. Why are they $18.99 though? That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, Tab, y'all know I love pickles, so I'm getting them. I don't know about the roasted garlic. Not feeling that. Now, I don't know if y'all know, but Sweet Loren's, oh my gosh. And I did not even know they had lemon. Like, I love lemon so much. I'm gonna get these.
Leaving me, dipping out on me. got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase.
Y'all, look what I got for me. I'm gonna try these. I never tried them before. They all for me. I got 2 bags for me.
It's giving big back.
I'm not gonna eat these. I got this for y'all.
Yeah.
She got. Come here.
What did you get?
Wait, I gotta turn the camera.
What did you get?
Take a guess.
I know what she got. Freeze dried Skittles.
Yeah.
Wait, come on, let's try it.
What?
Let's try it. Cheers.
Yum yum yum. Yum yum. Is it good?
I give it a 9.
A 9 out of 10. JJ.
9.5.
Why not the whole 10?
I don't know.
Oh.
I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You'll try to come back when you faint.
No, I had to get the picadas.
Mommy, we're trying to work.
Okay, guys, let them know what we're making tonight.
Mushrooms,
Macaroni and
cheese, yams, and
Baked beans, kale.
And we make some brownies. Yeah, we make brownies.
Yes, so excited.
And we're gonna be eating these.
No. Woo! Oh my gosh.
Gracie's corner.
And toes, knees and toes,
Eyes and ears and
mouth and nose.
head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Good job. Okay. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Website www.graciescornertv.com. Thanks again for the support.
Days, and we made a movie which did phenomenal. The marketing could have been a lot better. The promotion could have been a lot better. A lot of people don't even know that it exists. I think it's still on Amazon Prime, honestly, which is a great movie. We just shot Steve.
What you gonna do with it?
Put it under my pillow, give me some money.
Who giving you some money?
Some bula lula.
Who giving you money?
Tooth fairy.
She don't work no more.
Yes, she do.
She got fired.
How she get fired?
Lord help me, Jesus. This is for something here. Just too many words.
Other time of river oxygen system, we never anticipate any changing of pressure.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing twisty slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas
so
tonight.
freaking good. Like what?
Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a knot, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy.
I love when the flowers open up. What? Sharp. It's nothing like the divine feminine just in her beautiful essence. I love it. And then, of course, me, a reflection of her, a reflection of the divine feminine essence. Yes. This bowl was the best bowl I've ever had. Y'all already know I throw down, okay? Plant-based, everything was so good. Okay, so I low-key but high-key did not record anything on my trip because I was like in the moment. But no, I hope you guys enjoyed what I did share, and stay tuned for next week. Thank you so much for watching.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.